Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, third day class. Students, keep your books of short stories and one-act plays in your hands. And in today's lecture, inshallah, we will read the next happenings, next incidents that happen in the short story number 2, that is Rapexine's daughter. Okay, students, from page number 22, the very second paragraph. Going up to his room, he seated himself near the window. अब जो है ना, he went back to his room, Giovanni, and he seated himself near the window, window के पास बैठ जाता है. But within the shadow thrown by the wall, ठीक है, जो उसका shadow था, it was throwing on the wall, so that he could look down into the garden with little chance of being discovered. ठीक है, उनके वो he tried to make his shadow not very clear, ठीक है, ताकि इतना सा वो अपने आप को उसने कंपोज करके बैठा, so that he couldn't be looked in by the person, ठीक है, जो कि गार्डन में उसको कोई भी ना देख सके. At first the scene beneath his eye was empty, so he couldn't see anybody in the garden, ठीक है, marine pin under. The strange plants were sleeping in the sunshine and then nodding gently to one another, ठीक है. Nodding mean they were inclining, they were bowing, झुक रहे थे एक दूसरे को, जो है वो इशारा कर रहे थे, ठीक है, as Giovanni saw, ठीक है, जैसे उसने देखा. तो soon, however, as Giovanni had half feared would be the case, a figure approached beneath in the stone door. तो कहते हैं कि जल्द ही, जैसे कि Giovanni का जो है वो he had half hoped, mean to say कि he was not very much sure that Beatrice would come in the garden, ठीक है जी. So he had half hoped and half feared, and came between the rows of plants, but a figure mean Beatrice, she reached, appeared beneath in the stone door and came down the rows of plants, ठीक है. rows of plants में उनके दरमियान में आ जाती है, breathing their smells, and she was smelling them. On again beholding Beatrice, the young man surprised to see how much more beautiful she was than he remembered her to be. कहते हैं कि beholding mean looking at the Beatrice, he saw that how much more beautiful she was than he remembered her to be. जो कि उसने पहले उसको देखा था, तो she seemed more beautiful than her previous image, ठीक है. Her face being now more revealed me more clear. It was more clear to Giovanni now than on the former occasion, showed simplicity and sweetness. So these were the qualities that he found now on the face of Beatrice, ठीक है, simplicity and sweetness. Qualities that had not entered into his idea of her character. I mean to say that he was having an assumption of her character, and in that idea, in that fancy, she had no possessed the qualities of sweetness and simplicity. ठीक है. Nor did he fail again to observe the likeness between the beautiful girl and the magnificent bush that hung its jewel-like flowers over the fountain. Next very beautiful lines बेटा, कि there was a likeness. ये पहले भी previously भी ये बात हो चुकी है कि Giovanni he thought that the flower and Beatrice they were same alike, ठीक है, वो दोनों एक जैसे थे. So कहते हैं कि अब उसमें वो फेल नहीं हुआ ये चीज़ देखने में कि जो वो बुश थी, ठीक है, फ्लावर्स की जो बुश थी, ठीक है, झाड़ी सी थी जो वो, and it was like a jewel, ठीक है, और वो जो Beatrice थी they were quite alike, दोनों एक जैसे थे. Approaching the bush, she threw her arms around it. अब कहते हैं कि बुश के पास पहुंचते हुए उसने क्या किया कि उसने अपना जो बाजू था उसके इर्द गिर्द कर लिया, ठीक है. Next, with these words, okay, give me your breath, my sister, explained Beatrice, for I am faint with common air, and give me this flower, that I may place it close beside my heart. Now she is talking with the flower that in common air I may be faint, so give me your breath, your breathing, ठीक है, कि अपनी सांसें मुझे दो, अपनी हवा दो, ताकि मैं उसमें जो है वो सांस लूँ. and give me a flower too, that I may place it near to my heart, ठीक है बेटा. With these words, the beautiful daughter of Rapexine picked one of the richest flower of the bush and was about to place it about her breast, ठीक है, कि जैसे उसने ये words कहते हुए उसने जो है वो he picked up, उसने एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत फूल तोड़ा and she placed it upon her breast. But now, unless Giovanni's senses were affected by the wine, a strange thing occurred. कि जैसे he was more affected by the effect of the wine, so a strange and odd thing happened. A small orange colored animal chanced to come along the path. ठीक है, कहते एक जो ऑरेंज कलर का जो इंसेक्ट था या एनिमल था, इट चांस्ड, इट हैपन टू कम अलोंग द पाथ जस्ट एट द फीट ऑफ पीटर्स, पीटर्स के फीट के करीब। जर्नी वॉज नॉट श्योर बट इट अपियर टू हिम दैट अ ड्रॉप और च्यू ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर फेल अपॉन द एनिमल्स हेड। जो फ्लावर बेटा पीटर्स से पकड़ा हुआ था, सो 1 or 2 ड्रॉप फ्रॉम दैट फ्लावर इट appeared, it fell on the animal. ठीक है, in an instant it lay motionless in the sunshine. So what did Giovanni saw that in a very few moments that particular animal it got motionless. ठीक है बेटा, Beatus made the sign of the cross. अब उसने क्रॉस का साइन बनाया। ठीक है, आपको पता है ना कि जो क्रिश्चियंस हैं they made a sign of cross when they see such a pretty scene. ठीक है, but without surprise nor did she therefore hesitate. ठीक है, hesitate नहीं, reluctant. ठीक है, वो reluctant ना हुई, उसके पीछे ना हटी to place the flower upon her breast, कि अपने साथ टच करने में वो फ्लावर को she did not do any hesitation. ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 23, the very first line. Okay. Am I awake? How I my sense? Have I my senses? Now Giovanni is saying that, am I awake? Have I my senses? Said Giovanni to himself. उसने अपने आप से कहा कि I am awakening. ठीक है, कि मैं सो तो नहीं रहा, and I am in my senses. Now he is questioning to himself. ठीक है, अपने आप से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. What is this being? Beautiful shall I call her? Oh terrible. कहता है कि what is this thing? What is this human being? What should I call her? ठीक है, उसको मैं क्या कहूँ? Terrible or beautiful? He is confused a lot. Beatus now walked carelessly through the garden, approaching means reaching. ठीक है, closer beneath Giovanni's window. अब जो है she is walking carelessly, अब वो चलते चलते जो है वो Giovanni की विंडो के पास पहुंच जाती है. At this moment here came a beautiful insect over the garden wall. अब जो बेटा एक और इंसेक्ट आता है गार्डन वॉल के पास. This winged mean fly. ठीक है, वो उड़ता है. Brightness seemed to be drawn by Beatrice. ठीक है, क्योंकि जो Beatrice की जो brightness है मीन से कि वो Beatrice की तरफ अट्रैक्ट करता है, वो उड़ के उसके पास जाता है and flew about her head, और उसके सर के पास चला जाता है. ठीक है, now it could be that Giovanni's eyes fooled him. कहता है कि ऐसा लगता था या तो उसकी Giovanni की आईज ने जो है वो उसको फूल बनाया है, बेवकूफ़ बनाया है. But while Beatrice was gazing at the insect with childish delight, it grew faint and fell at her feet. कहते हैं कि as Beatrice started looking at the insect with childish delight, mean with a happiness, like a child has a happiness. जैसे कोई बच्चा बेटा देख के किसी चीज़ को खुश होता है. So she did this and it grew faint and fell at her feet. और क्या हुआ? The insect it grew faint and fell at her feet. It was dead from no cause that he could see unless it were her breath. कहते हैं कि वो बगैर किसी, अब नौजिवानी, he could not see any cause but the breath of the Beatrice. ठीक है, again Beatrice crossed herself and sighed heavily as she bent over the dead insect. कैसे कि दोबारा से she made that particular sign. ठीक है, और जो है वो she and sighed heavily, आह भरी उसने, as she bent over the dead insect, जैसे ही she moved over the dead insect उसके ऊपर चुकी. ठीक है, next, a quick movement of Giovanni drew her eyes to the window.